Hi guys. As asked by several people, I'm going to try to do a tutorial on how to do Zoom with great leaps. Hang on, I'm just learning this platform now, but let's do it. You have to get an account with zoom.us. There is a button on this side of the screen to get a free account. You can go ahead and do that, verify your email. Granted, you have done that and your student has a Zoom button, a Zoom app on their phone, you're good, or on their device, you're good to go. So, Zoom's homepage looks like this. You're going to host a meeting because you want to meet with somebody. So, with video on is how you want to do it because you want to be face to face. So hit the host meeting with video on button. It might ask your permission. Say yes. And then you're going to have to say join with computer audio. Just give it permission. Oh, I'm going to tell it to automatically do that. And here you go. I am now coming through the airwaves on Zoom. So I'm zooming at people, but I have to get my student on. So the easiest way I have found to do that, I'm going to scoot it over a bit, is to text that information to your student or their family. So in my case, I'm going to text the meeting number to my daughter. The meeting number is what you have to send them, and it is at the top of your Zoom window. So in this case, it is 831611. I'm going to put dash in there to be nice. 611, though the dash is not necessary, dash 471. Texted that to Joy, who's expecting it. And she is going to put that she's going to hit Zoom on her device because she's going to be videoing with me on a cell phone. So I texted it to her. She's going to put that into her device and we should be face to face when she does so. In the meantime, I'm going to get my Great Leaps open. There we are. I am connected to my student. There we go. And my student is technically Harry Potter, according to what's on the TV. So now, on the other side of my screen, I'm going to log into Great Leaps. And my student is hopefully doing Zoom either on a separate device or on a computer that they can split the screen like I have. I don't know how to do Zoom on a cell phone with Great Leaps. If somebody does, feel free to let me know. But now they just have to open their browser. I'm going to spread that out a little more. And you're face to face with your student. To get them, they open up a browser and go to digital.greatleaps.com. and log in with your teacher name and the student code. Hope this helps. Have a wonderful evening.